Guys, so for today, it's another day, it's another video again. So it's in the video again here, guys. So now I'm going to plant my ampalaya. So it's a better melon or ground melon, guys. So I'm going to plant this. Okay, so some of it I already put in the ground. I forgot that I need to film some video. So this one is looks like okay, guys. So that looks like now, as you can see. So everything is in here, but I got the rest over here. So let's put that in the ground. Let's do it. So here you go, guys. So I'm going to remove this and then I put in the ground. As you can see, a lot of roots. So I grow this one with seeds, guys. Okay, this from seeds. One more. 10. Tarang. Wow, look at that. Chan. So what next to do? I'm done. As you can see, it's already in here. What next I can do? I need to make some trail in here, guys, so they can climb at the top. Okay, so I think I'm done with this one, but I got a lot more to put in the ground, and I want to decide it if I can add more in here in front. Yeah, in here I think I can add 3 more, guys, over here in front, and then after that I can make a trail for them. So yeah, and that's it. So I'm gonna put this over here because I think something is not growing, guys. Some of it is not growing, so not all of it is growing, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over here, and then I'm gonna check. Let's check. So nothing is growing, so what I need to do is add in here. Okay. So I'm just adding this in here, guys. So I think I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I got 11 in the ground already. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, so that's all of it, as you can see. Yeah, but I need to add more in here. Okay, so this one, it's a better melon or ground melon. Cheng, we call that ampalaya. So your ampalaya is a better vegetables, guys. Okay, that's better. If you're a better person, that's what happened. You eat ampalaya. You're ampalaya. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, so let's continue. Just like I said, I got a bitter melon in the inside in our house. So this one is the bitter melon guys, as you can see. They're totally I mean yeah, they're totally climbing now. See, we need some trails now. So this one is I'm concerned about this one because this one is older guys. I think I grow this one around February, yeah, or end of January inside in our house. And this one it looks like that's the bitter melon. Yeah, this one is my bitter melon last year, as you can see. And then this one guys is a new. This one is for my birthday present for my friend. So look at that. This one we call this moringa. Okay, so I'm going to remove some of the, I don't know how you call this one guys, the one that it's holding in here. So I need to remove that so I can transfer totally. Okay, so let's do it. Help me to remove guys. So now I need to do one by one, extra careful. They're totally climbing in here guys, so that's why I can't. Let's see. Okay, so the other one is removed, as you can see guys. Yay, good job Vida. So now I'm going to remove this one in a pot. Oh, oh, wait, wait. So only this one. Let's remove this guys. Wait a minute. So I never expect that oh. I never expect that guys, it's long like this. So look at the roots, it's not totally strong. So now I'm going to put this in the ground in here. Did you see guys what I'm doing in here? Wow. You saw it guys. So now the next one is here. Okay, so I'm going to remove that too. Oh. Look at that. Yeah, they're strong. So I just put this over here again. So let's dig guys. Chareng. So next, I got more, but yeah, look at that. I got still in here, so I need to remove that too, guys. But let's see if I can remove this one. Oh my goodness, now it's hard to remove them. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Yay, we did it. Look at that. Yeah, we did it, guys. And then this one is separate already. The moringa leaves tree, the moringa tree. So I guess I'm gonna put this over here, guys. It's too much in here. Just here, guys. Just here. Charang! Ampalaya. Small trail in here, as you can see. So I'm using this one, guys, so they can climb. All right, through there, up higher. Wait. Ta-da-dang. Let's see, I hope I can put this over here, guys. Okay, yeah, right there. Then zip strips. So I'm hoping that one that is working. So this one is their trail, guys. Okay. What do you think? It's working, right? So let's put the other one over here. But I need to tie this one, guys, first. Wait a minute. Okay guys, so I'm done now. Yeah. So I'll continue later guys because we're going out. Okay, so this one is all the you call that eggplant. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.